Hi, welcome. If you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. What I got is called iTag, and you can probably get it anywhere in the description, link below. And I want to show you briefly how it works. This is the battery. I got an Energizer. Cost me $1.60. This is the self-portrait anti-theft device, and this is only compatible to the older type phones, I realize. So we're talking about an iPhone 6, 6 Plus, down all the way to a 5. It's also good for iPad 5 all the way down to 3rd generation. Also iPad mini, iPod Air, and iPod Touch 5th generation. Is good for Androids with Bluetooth and 4.0 smartphone. Android 4.3 version and upgraded version. Just hit your Google Play and your App Store. I tried a couple of apps. The best app is eye tracing. It'll automatically pick up whatever device you're on, whether it's your Android or your iPad or phone. It's on. Then you can get ahead and hit. You can add a photo. I'm going to do that. Go down to your album, or you can get ahead and take a picture. And I am going to add my phone. Then you can rename it. Right there is where you get ahead and hit and rename it to wherever you want it to be. And then further down, you'll be able to see it. I'm putting one on my dog's collar, and I'm going to do the same thing. Hold the button down. See, it says tag. I'm going to do the same thing to my cabin keys. Put one up there. Hold it down. Now it's automatically connected to my iPad, my cabin keys, and my dog. Now over here is where you can add photos at the lower bottom. It also has a Google map. Either Google you could do. It'll show you where the location is of whatever device is on. And the next one, it'll show you where you could hit Do Not Disturb. A change of a password. And if you hit Do Not Disturb, then you won't hear your warning out of reach. This is where you can change your password. You can use the double click setting. You also can use this as a voice recording, as well as a shutter for pictures. And last but not least is the end. And this will show you everything from the battery placement to how to set everything, to the different types of maps, to the lights, how to take a photo, how to set your alarms, and how to separate each tag. The type of battery as well. Okay, if you're looking for your device, find me. This is the sound that it makes. You can change the sound to anything that you may want. And this is where you would do that. Anti-loss is on. It would automatically come on device alert to let you know where your device is so you can find it. If you just search, it will pick up Bluetooth devices. So you must have your tags turned on. You can put this on your dog's chain. Anything that you may want to find. You can even put this on your kids so you can